Welcome to Granny's Cooking Show. Today, my special guest is going to be the Grinch. We are going to make some very simple cookies, so hopefully they will turn out wonderful. Okay, I have an apron for my guest, just so he doesn't...
What is this?
It is an apron to keep your outfit tidy. Not that that matters.
I have nicer aprons than this at the dump.
Really? Well, we'll see.
What kind of grandma are you anyway?
The best kind. And I'm going to walk you through the steps, and we're going to see who can make the best cookies.
All right, all right.
Okay, we're going to start with a cup of butter. You might not want to dirty that because you'll put flour in it, and it'll be a mess. Okay, then we need some sugar. About a cup and a quarter. And we're going to stir that and mix that all night. How are you doing there? No, it's not too bad.
Okay, what?
Some sugar. You need about a cup. And then you take your spatula and you mix that all nice. Bring it all together. Okay, once you've got that all mixed together, you want to take 1 egg. I'm going to pop that in.
Where's my egg? Oh, right there.
Right there.
Okay.
Oh, not the shell. Did you put the shell in there too? Okay, well, we'll work with that.
It's good. It's good. It's fine.
You want a lid?
It's really good.
Not too much. And about a teaspoon. Whoops. Now we're going to thicken it up. With some flour. Not all of it, I need some. I have my studio being cleaned tomorrow.
Looking good. There we go. Geez, who knew I was so good at this?
So you want it to be a consistency that you can take. This will be fun. You have to roll it into bowls
Yeah.
of the size of a walnut. And a little more flour.
You're quite messy there, Granny.
Not like you.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
You have butter on your nose there. Did you bring your dog?
No, Max is no. He doesn't like cookies or grannies.
No? Well, I'm glad you left him at home. So we roll these in some sugar, and then we're just going to place them about 2 inches apart. In the dish. You make some balls. balls. So.
Oh, I'll bake some balls already.
Okay. It's a little big.
Okay.
Maybe make them a little bit smaller.
That's looking really nice.
Not too bad there.
This is really good. This is nice. These are gonna be
awesome.
delicious.
Complete with eggshells.
So there's one left in there. Think I'm good for one more? Maybe two. We really only need one for me and Max anyways.
Okay. Make sure that we give you your cookies. Yours on there. Wow, you get it everywhere.
Hey, getting the job done, you know? Get after it.
What do you think? 12 minutes? 15?
Sure. I don't know how much time you got to waste, but I got places to be.
Okay, there we go. 12 minutes. Not bad.
Not bad. It's pretty good.
We'll have some cookies for you in a few minutes. Thanks, Grinch. Well, folks, you have it. You did a great job, Grinch. Look at those cookies. Next week, our guest is going to be Ebenezer Scrooge. Do you know him?
Yeah, we've seen each other around.
Okay, well, tune in next week for Ebenezer Scrooge. Oh, Brad's gonna be mad at you.
Bye, guys.